Then the next question, and logical question, is, oh my God, where do we go from here? Is AI going to take over? Right? Do we have to fear AI? Is it going to learn how to play by itself without humanity involved and eradicate humans? Yes, AI is making rapid progress, almost hockey stick progress, and it's making that progress in narrow areas, in very applied areas, right? So the program that plays chess doesn't drive your car. The program that solves cancer knows nothing about playing a video game, right? In fact, even if you look at a lot of the accomplishments, so DeepMind, the company that did AlphaGo, they first started with a program that could play Atari games, like Breakout and things like that. And it learned to achieve superhuman level performance at Breakout. Let me give you one example about Siri. This is how I explain it to my son. So when you talk to something like Siri, there are moments, like it's a machine, it's programmed, but there are moments when it surprises you and it feels almost human in certain ways. It'll say something and say, wow, that surprised me. That was, and you can start to squint and almost believe maybe it has real intelligence. It's just a simulation. So I'll give you an example. So if I take a piece of duct tape and I put it on like this, it kind of looks, in the back row maybe, squint a little, like I'm wearing a tie. But it's not a tie, it's duct tape. You know that, right? But it's kind of a simulation of duct tape, of a tie. Now someday we may actually invent technology that lets molecule rearrangement, right? Because it's all made of atoms, ties and duct tape, it's all the same. But we're not close. We're not at the point where we can just zap, lead and turn it into gold. We're not at the point where a duct tape will rearrange it into a tie. And that's how I feel about artificial intelligence. We're a simulation. That's a reasonable approximation, is a useful tool, but it's not about to cross over and become sentient. What Elon Musk and others are talking about is it'll start to be conscious. It'll start to think, what should I do about those humans? Maybe I should get rid of them, right? That's what we're afraid of. We're not afraid of AI just doing what it does a little better, right? And so that, for me, is the point, that generality, that consciousness. I started a company called Sentience. We're not anywhere close to sentience. We don't have to worry that this tie, it'll never become, it's just duct tape. And there's no way that we have to ever worry about it transforming. AI will never cross over. We have nothing to worry about. Okay. Thanks for your question.